Hi, beautiful, and Merry Christmas in advance. Yeah, I know it's not Christmas yet, but you know, Christmas is around the corner, so we might as well just start celebrating it right now. So, it is officially Dirty December, right? And everybody and their mama is doing either wearing bone straight wigs or wearing boho braids, Fulani braids, hybrid braids. But don't you think it's time you could do something different, right? I mean, you don't have to be like everyone else if you don't want to. And that's why you have me, okay? Let's not talk too much. I want you guys to just watch this video, and at the end of the video, you can tell me if this is a hairstyle you would like to try during this festive season. It's 30 December. Be different, you know? Don't be like everyone else. Let's get right into the video.
So for the base of your hair, you need to have round cornrows at the back and then straight back cornrows in front. This will help you attach the crochet pieces easier. You also need to ensure that the size of the hair pieces you're taking are not too small and not too big as well. Now for the crochet process, what you want to do is pull the crochet pin through your cornrows, latch it onto the crochet hair and then pull through again. Once you're done that, now you want to tie a knot. Also, depending on how long you want the hair to last for, you can decide to tie more than one knot. You can do split knots or tie it more than once. You can tie it 2 to 3 times if you prefer, but for me, I just wanted this hair for about a week or 2. And I also wanted to be able to preserve the crochet hair and be able to take it out easily, so I decided to do just one knot. So all you have to do is to keep crocheting the hair pieces into your hair like so until you've covered the whole of your head.
Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner, till I you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner, till I
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say it's selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, hey, hey. Yeah, but I can say my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. See what's about to happen.
Full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. And this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Spend some clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? She know she was overseas, they were pan leather. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best of. Blue pair t-shirt, sleeve button up. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a band down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend a dime, copping Gucci sweaters. They the drippin' niggas drowning, I cannot help them. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia the ties out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and like shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, it's a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Weezy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Illuminati way. cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Metro bought 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. We on the Boominati way.
Also, I wanted to mention that this process does take a little bit of time. I started at about 4 p.m. and I didn't finish until about 7:30.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. You spend this holiday locked.
So I was done with the crochet process, but I couldn't style it because I was tired and I still had a couple of things left to do on this day. So I decided that I will be styling it the next day. But you can see how full and voluminous it looks. It looks really good. It looks really beautiful and natural. It already looks done because it was done. It just needed a little bit of styling, but it looked so much like my natural hair. It looked very healthy. It looked like very healthy hair. And I used 3 bundles in total to get this volume. And the next day I wore some makeup and decided to style it. I was already feeling myself here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looked really good. People had already started asking me if this was my hair, and I got so tired of saying, telling people that it was my actual hair, because look at it, it looks like my hair. Anyways, for the styling process, I used some leave-in conditioner. You just need to spray that. You can also do a leave-in conditioner and water mix if you prefer, and then it just makes it easier for you to brush through the hair and style it. Also, if you like to purchase this hair, you can send a DM to Wigs by TBB or Hair by TBB on Instagram, and we will make it available for you.
I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon belt on me and she tryna get it unpleasant. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
And since this is my natural hair, I don't mind doing a little bit of baby hair styling in front of my hair, because it's my hair, so it's my actual baby hair. I don't mind it. So I did some baby hairs and I styled it here as a side part, and I literally just decided to play around with the styling of the hair and show you guys the different ways that you can actually wear it. I'm sure there are many other ways for you to wear it, but first I did a side part.
Myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you now.
Then I also tried a center part, and for this center part I feel like it suits me more, or was it just my imagination? But I don't know, I was feeling the center part, maybe because it's big hair. Center parts look good on me when I have big hair, so I think I enjoyed this a little bit too much. And lastly, I tried the invisible hairline. I will say though that I'm not really a fan of this particular hairstyle, not because it's not nice, just because it requires a lot of maintenance that I'm not certain that I am up for. But if it's your style, then I think this will work for you as well.
How you wanna
So this hairstyle should be an alternative hairstyle for you guys. Okay, try something different this December and you won't regret it. Okay, I have been feeling really good since I've had this hair on, and it's voluminous. It's, you know, can be straightened with heat. Also, I forgot to mention that it can be straightened with heat. Just such a simply gorgeous hair, and it's also easy to style or easy to install, as you've seen me do in the video. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hair, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.